give you a shaky cam update on the Briggs. Our parts are hung up in the mail. Things have slowed down a bit. That's okay. We can wait. We got nothing to do. The motor cleaned up pretty okay. There's a few spots that I wasn't totally happy with, but I think I had some old paint. Maybe it didn't work real well. Shot it with engine enamel, and it's not official Briggs red, but it was red, and I had it. Here's a can from the black. The red was the same stuff. It's just heat resistant. But yeah, got all the dirt and everything out of there. Got the cooling fins cleaned up. You can see there's your intake and your exhaust. Probably have to pull the tank off one more time. It's just one bolt holding it on, and then the carb has a couple screws in it that help hold that up. But tank's all cleaned up, lock's all cleaned up. Let's see, oil's drained, and we got new oil in there. So yeah, here's the cover. Kept the old decal. I mean, I didn't order decals or anything for it. You can see some of the paint. Not great. Like I said, I think it was old paint. Cleaned it up as best we could. It'll work. It's our kill switch. So yeah, so an update. We've got a carb coming. Oh, the hang on, let me show you something. Okay, here's the old magneto. The wires coming off of here, they're both kill switch. They're just ground. They ground out the ignition. This one goes to the cover switch, and then this one went down onto where the throttle cable would have come in down here, and it would have had like a stop position, so you could run that to stop and then kill it at the motor. You could do either or. But when I pulled this off, obviously it's pretty scabby looking, but there's a wire broken off to attach that to the rest of our points and everything that was missing, right? Your condenser and your points. There should be another wire coming off of here. That's broke. So when I went and priced out the condenser and the points that we needed for this anyway, and a new magneto, I decided to go to a electronic ignition. It was like $1 more. And what that means is that our new magneto will not need points or anything in there. It'll just be one piece. It'll mount up, supposedly. Everything should be the same. We'll find out. It wasn't expensive. And that'll have, basically, it just has one wire coming off of it. And there's a terminal on the side of the new one that you can hook up. Like if you're going to use this loom, you could hook up these kill wires to it. We'll probably hook up a wire to the switch on the motor, and then I'm going to put another lead just kind of in there, so that down the road, if we had this mounted in like a go-kart or a mini bike or something, you could hook that up to just a contact switch up by the controls. So we got new ignition coming. That'll mount up here. Flywheel's in good shape. Yeah, so little Briggs adventure continues. Oh, and I bought, once we can get back out again, I'll probably pick up some metal and just do a little header off of here. I didn't have what I wanted for that here, so I ordered just an old-fashioned, like a sausage muffler, and that'll just come straight out. And I think downstairs it's a 3/4 inch pipe thread. I should have a 45, so we'll bring that muffler out so that it goes this way and not straight back over the tank. There she is, and that'll all start going back together once the new parts arrive, and then try to start it. All right, we'll catch you next time. Stay safe out there. Peace.